Hello friends, I am Dr. Vinod Malkar, Officer of Marketing, and today I had bring the topic how to create online test on TestU. TestU.in is one of the platform on which you can create a online test, which is a very good format that I had seen, and I had tested so many things with the TestU.in. So this is an window. The website name is TestU.in, and you find here this kind of window you will be getting. So there is an option login, create an account. So you have, if you had already account, you can log in it, and if you want to create it account, then create it. So for the creating account, these kinds of forms get generated, and you can use this form. You just fill the information, and then going ahead, if you have already account, then you can, even the login format is, you can go with login with your existing Google or Facebook account also. So these are also options available, and this way I have logged it, and you find I had uploaded my photo and these things. So you get these kinds of windows. So there is two options, one is examiner and another is student. So students has also something that has been assigned on TestU, and then examiner is also used as an so if as I am examiner, so I can click on the examiner, and then you move ahead. So these are the options are available or for an examiner. You will get here my test, test list, create test, custom registration, and these are the options: create test, create question bank, create group, add contacts, view results, credit, margin. So these are some of the options are available, and this test list and then my test series, these options you click, you will come to know one by one. So if I had create a test, so there is an option, so title of the test, description of the test, and keyword of the test. And in the next section you will going to find out question bank. You can upload the question bank using an Excel sheet. There is an formats are available on this also. So you just click the question banks format, then you will get here in Excel sheet format, and you can upload this entire question. You can one by one manually prepare, manually add the question also. And the third option is an publish test. So you can publish test. I had almost 10 tests, I had more than 10 tests I had published. So the beauty of this here, if you had uploaded 100 questions on MCQ format, and then there are lots of other options, the results directly goes to the mails of the students, registered mail. Then you can just get a test URL, then you can copy that test URL and just put the group of the students, or you can test managers options is available over there, and these tests are available over here. So as I told you, this copy, you can copy the URL, and you just put in the, if there is a WhatsApp group of your students, you just put that link on your WhatsApp group, so that the students get an idea. They can copy, and they can very easily appear for the test. So these are some of the options are available on TestU.in. We can see even how it looks like. So if I put here TestU.in, TestU.in. So you will be get here this TestU, and you can had already told you I am already logged in. So you find test list, create test, custom registration. So very easily you can find a test list, and if I want to, I had prepared this test tube, that is MBA aptitude test. And if I want to, these are how many students, 28 attempt, this test is attempted by 28 students. So different tests are attempted by different students. So you find in the section also there are various aptitude tests. Some of the tests are I am using these tools almost last 3 years. So if you see Sanjeevani MBA mock test, this is attempted by 427 students, and you can publish it anytime. Even if I have to just unpublish clause, then I can just put here publish, and then very easily test get published, and then I can share. So I got this test has been published. So there are how many questions, logical reasoning questions are there, then quantitative aptitude question, verbal ability questions. So all the instructions that you can put, passing percentage, total questions available on this test 186, and every students will get different questions out of that 186. Any questions, 100 questions comes in front of desktop, or you can appear, the students can appear on mobile also. So even in the view results, you can see how the results get generated. So the results you can download in Excel sheet, then you can arrange it topper wise list. So within a fraction of second, you will come to know who had top for that test. So all these options are available on the testyou.in. Once you practice it, you will get an idea about this one. So these are the options are available. So you can very easily export results, and then in an export results, do you want to export all the records? So you can very easily export the records in the format whatever that has been mentioned. So they have Excel format, all 427 students sheet has been downloaded, and very easily you can open it, and you will get an ranks, marks. So in the section wise, question wise marks you will be getting in this Excel sheet. So this is a very good tools that I'm using in the last 3 years. So I hope that bring to all the notice to all the teachers, and that will beautifully you can use this tool for framing the test. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel SK Business to get all updated videos related to ICT tools for teachers.